In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your logs in BigCommerce. Whether you're troubleshooting an issue or just want to keep an eye on what's happening in your store, accessing your logs is an invaluable skill. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you can easily navigate your way around. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and go to the BigCommerce website. Once you're there, look for the login button, which you'll find prominently on the homepage. Give that a click and you'll be directed to the login screen. Here, you need to enter your registered email and password. It's important to ensure that these details are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your credentials, hit the login button to gain access to your account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll arrive at your BigCommerce homepage. This is your main dashboard from where you can manage all aspects of your store. Now from this dashboard, you'll want to head over to the settings section. You can usually find this option on the left hand menu. Clicking on settings will open up a variety of options for you. Next, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the section labeled advanced. Once you've located it, you'll see an option called store logs. Click on that and you'll be taken to the logs page where you can view different types of logs. On the logs page, you are presented with two main options: system log and staff action log. The system log contains information about the technical and operational aspects of your store, while the staff action log records actions and changes made by your store's staff. For this walkthrough, let's focus on the staff action log. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the staff action log, you'll be able to see all the actions performed by various users. This feature is incredibly useful for monitoring staff activities and ensuring that everything is running smoothly. You can sort or search through the logs by specific filters or actions to find exactly what you need. Feel free to explore these options as it can help in pinpointing specific events or actions. And that's it. You've now learned how to navigate and access your logs in BigCommerce. By regularly checking these logs, you can keep tabs on what's happening in your store and catch any issues early. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any further questions or need more assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, take care and happy selling.